DoorDash has been on a run lately of deactivating drivers. Some drivers that are content creators, like my friend Nova Dasher here. He made a video the other day. Check the description box for that full video. Without any really telling Nova and many others why. Let's talk about it. Pedro back at you with the RideShare Guy. Deactivations are something that we've talked about on this channel and many others many times. And unfortunately, we're probably going to continue to do it because it does happen. It's part of being an independent contractor and working for the food delivery or rideshare apps. There's even been some cities and states that have tried to pass legislation to help protect us independent contractors for false deactivations and deactivations that really just don't make any sense at all. But before we get too far, you let us know in the comments down below. Have you been deactivated on a platform? Doesn't have to be DoorDash, could be any. And why? And how did it make you feel? Why were you deactivated? Did you feel like it was unjust? I've always been of the opinion that most deactivations are legitimate. Something happened. The driver did something. It was an algorithm noticed it, or they noticed some kind of pattern. It went against TOS and you get deactivated. I generally still feel that way, but Nova Dasher's a friend. He's a good guy. I believe he's had over 21,000 deliveries. I don't know any driver that has more than 21,000 deliveries. And for DoorDash to deactivate him and really not give him any reason, seems like he's having a hard time trying to get with somebody to explain why, is a little messed up. 21,000 deliveries. 21,000 deliveries. That's a loyal DoorDash dasher. And you get deactivated and you really don't have a good answer as to why. That's a problem. So for me, while I still think most, we do things on a day-to-day, and a lot of us don't even know what's in the TOS, right? It's frustrating. I mean, how can it not be, right? You're somebody that obviously is dashing a lot, and he's handled it like a man. Like he's, has other ways to make money. He has a W-2. He's got other apps. He's going to be okay. But still, that app is an opportunity that he used and that you use and many others use. And if it gets taken away, that sucks. There's no way around that. And for me, the most troubling thing is, what do we do? As independent contractors, there's no HR department. There's no this, there's no that. What do you do when things happen, right? It's kind of like what's great about the gig economy, the freedom, the flexibility. There's no boss. Most of the time, you don't have to have a schedule. You can kind of go and come as you please. But then when things like this happen, it's the exact opposite is effect. It's like we don't have any protections. We don't have anything. And that's why a lot of people want some kind of legislation. Some people even want to unionize. Like there's a lot of other ways that people want to use this gig work, and they see that the apps are taking advantage and falsely deactivating and these crazy contract violations and the things that we have to deal with. I mean, at this point, I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised if I get deactivated or somebody else I know gets deactivated sometime soon because of the algorithm and whatever else, right? But do I want legislation? Do we want this? Do we want that? If I'm being honest, I don't know how to answer that question. But I'll tell you this, a DoorDash driver that has 21,000 deliveries, that is a good dude that delivers and delivers and delivers, should not be deactivated in the way that he was without some kind of something and somebody that he can talk to via email or on the phone or something to actually tell him exactly why he was deactivated or why the algorithm picked his account. There should be somebody that could give him an answer, and he has yet to receive that. And that's messed up. So you guys let us know what you think. Go watch that video. Go show Nova some love and support. I mean, he's going to be all right. And what's good about the gig economy is there's a lot of ways to make money, a lot of apps. This isn't the end of the world when these things happen. But there are other people maybe getting deactivated that don't have a W-2 and don't have another app. Maybe DoorDash is the only thing in their market, or only one or two or three things they have, and DoorDash is their major breadwinner. Imagine being that driver. Now you have to really figure it out, and you got to figure it out quickly. And that sucks. And most dashers, we're living day to day, week to week, paycheck to paycheck, whatever you want to call it. And it's tough to be deactivated in that way and feel like you can do nothing about it. You guys let us know what you think about his video, what you think about this video in the comments below. If you are a gig economy driver, check the description box for courses on how to maximize your earning potential. And check out the next video here. We drop DoorDash content with Mr. Bet on You every Sunday on the RideShare Guy. I'll see you next week.